I'm Behzad Nazari, owner of Antoine Dental Center in Houston, Texas. And thank you for hearing me today. I support SB 1803. On January 27, 2009, Office of Inspector General, along with Attorney General's office, started an investigation against me and Antoine Dental Center. They collected close to 300 patient files. Within 9 months, on 10/22/09, Attorney General's office closed this case, returned all the 116 charges that they took, and they told us that we are clear. 2 years after that, OIG's office started a new investigation. And within 4 months, after October 2011, end of March of 2012, they put me on 100% payment hold. After 4 months, even though it was 2 years before Attorney General, who their job is to find fraud, they could not find any indication of fraud because of this cap. They just learned, I thought it's cap of a cow or whatever it's called, credible allegation of fraud, they put me on 100% payment hold. They based their decision solely on 63 patient files out of 85 that they took. Being confident they have not committed any fraud, I asked for informal hearing that was offered. During the informal hearing, while defending my cases against OIG and their expert witness, well, so-called expert witness, that he had never seen a Medicaid patient, he had never worked any orthodontia with Medicaid patients, I came to the conclusion that OIG had already made its mind and was not interested in whatever explanation I presented to them. I was told by OIG person, we feel that they have committed fraud, and we want our money back. Federal government wants its money back from us, so we want it from you. This whole investigation is about the interpretation of what is called to be right now a HLD index score. I submitted a prior authorization request with all the necessary documents for every single patient for the past 12 years. Since 2001, I've been a Medicaid provider. 2 different companies, NHIC and TMHP. Every single case, almost every single case has been approved by both of them. We had many dental directors, 4 or 5 dental directors. Never was any question about any of these cases. I'm supporting 1803 because the informal hearing, investigation, and the whole process should include a fair determination of fault. OIG investigation aims only to collect money and has no consideration for the truth. This must stop. All that I'm requesting is that a fair judge to hear the cases. As it stands, OIG is the investigator, OIG is the expert witness, OIG is the accuser, and the same OIG is going to try the case for millions of dollars under a theory of called extrapolation. I'm entitled to a jury trial and fair proceedings before an impartial judge. Due process involves fairness. As of today, I have not received fairness. It's been over 14 months that I'm on 100% payment hold. And if you believe in integrity, honesty, and fairness of the investigation being conducted by OIG, I don't see why or anyone else would oppose to a fair trial by jury or judge. When does temporary becomes permanent, and when does temporary would stop? This credible allegation of fraud probably needs to change its name to a dormant allegation of fraud because it's been dormant and nothing is happening. We are not getting a court date. We are not getting any relief. We cannot even negotiate with them. We can't even talk to them. Or we can name it as credible allegation of fraud. Whatever bill is passed, if there is no oversight on what OIG is doing, if there is nobody to oversight their honesty and integrity, I don't think it really matters. Thank you.